That's not even revved up. Sounds like a beast. She looks like a beast. Listen to that.